avoid unattended or careless use of candles. No open flames are allowed inside any Tufts University building. Keep barbecue grills at least 10 feet from the house. Never store the grill with the propane tank inside your house. Propane vapors are heavier than air, and any leak of the gas will travel down to the ignition source, such as pilot light or electrical arc, that would initiate an explosion that would be fatal on anyone inside the house. Do not disable smokes or CO detectors. These are the life-saving devices that will give you an early warning to all life-threatening events. Carbon monoxide (CO) is an odorless, colorless, and tasteless gas known as the silent killer that is the most abundant deadly byproduct of fire. Tampering, covering, disabling fire detection device is a criminal offense, punishable by imprisonment and a fine and university disciplinary action. Do not smoke indoors. Smoking is prohibited in all Tufts University buildings. Smoking will result in the removal of the offender from campus housing. Do not leave your cooking unattended. Cooking is the number one cause of residential fires. Unattended cooking increases the chance of a stop fire. Watch what you heat and never overheat cooking oils. Should a flash fire occur in a pan, carefully slide a cover over the pan to smother the fire. Do not move it to the sink or apply water to it. This will cause the flaming oil to splash and spread the fire to surrounding areas. For falls, loose rugs or mats, floors with varying traction, and the wrong footwear can also cause slips. Trips and falls can happen when people lose their balance after their feet collide with objects. Common tripping hazards in the workplace include damaged or worn carpets, rugs, and mats. For poisoning, poisoning affects people of all ages. Younger children are susceptible because they get into cleaning supplies and other toxic household products. They overdose on vitamins and medicines not taken under proper adult supervision. Teens and adults are also at risk from appetite suppressants, heroin, and amphetamines, antidepressants, motor vehicles, exhaust gas, anesthetics, and even caffeine and alcohol. There's also carbon monoxide poisoning. For suffocating, the suffocation death rate for infants has climbed as more parents share a bed with their babies. For drowning, the stats on drowning are grim. For example, the CDC points out that drowning is the number 2 cause of death among children ages 1 to 4. The majority of these drownings occur in home swimming pools, and black children are at the greatest risk. Meanwhile, Stanford's Children's Health explains that most drowning of children under age 1 year occur in bathtubs. Toilets and buckets are other common sites of household drownings.